friendship, you're gonna go far. Go, Newton Star. Flying through space with your PJ friends. Go, Newton Star. Your bravery and wit are an inspiration. Go, Newton Star. Go, Newton. Go, Newton Star. Go, Newton. Go, Newton Star. Go, Newton. Go, Newton Star.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
I've wanted to draw these transformations for a long time. What better way to draw them than tonight? Tonight we're going to draw Landarous on his second form. This guy, otherwise known as Landarous, has two forms. One is the godlike form, and one is this lion state.
Sailing through the cosmos, true with star shields on his hands. He's shy but brave when it counts most. Star power at his command. Just believe like Newton can do most anything. Star, the power of friendship, you're gonna go far. Go, Newton Star. Flying through space with your PJ friends. Go, Newton Star. Your bravery and wit are an inspiration. Go, Newton Star. Go, Newton. Go, Newton Star. Go, Newton. Go, Newton Star. Go, Newton. Go, Newton Star. Flying high into the sky, Newton Star is on his way. Seen every place in outer space, he's here to save the day. Asteroid surfs on the Milky Way, watch him shoot across the sky. Obsessed with space and science, ask a question, he'll tell you why. Newton Star, the power of friendship.
Here we go.
Newton Star, flying through space with your PJ friends. Newton Star, your bravery and wit are an inspiration. Newton Star, go, Newton Star. Sailing through the cosmos, true with star shields on his hands. Shy but brave when it counts most. Star power at his command. Just believe like Newton can do most anything. Newton Star, the power of friendship, you're gonna go far. Newton Star, flying through space with your PJ friends.
There's his foot.
Your bravery and wit are an inspiration. Newton Star. Go, Newton. Go, Newton Star. Go, Newton. Go, Newton Star. Go, Newton. Go, Newton Star. Flying high into the sky, Newton Star is on his way. Seen every place in outer space, he's here to save the day. Asteroid surfs on the Milky Way, watch him shoot across the sky.
And there he is. That's how you draw Landarous in his Theron form. Get ready, guys, because we've got two more coming your way.